every day, okay? Because we have a lot of time. Don't think that I will grab my language in within 1 week or 2 weeks, okay? So every day you participate in this group, in different type of group, automatically you will get your confidence.
Thank you,
Thank you
sir.
very much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, now Seetal. Seetal.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Very, very good evening, Sheetal. Sheetal, you have any questions? Please you can also ask.
Yes, sir. I have a question.
Yeah. Yes, Sailesh sir, are you audible? Sailesh sir? Hello? Yes, Seetal, you can ask. Seetal?
Okay, sir. Then, firstly, my question is while do speaking and I don't able to speak. And if I talk with any person, then I'm comfortable. But whenever I talk with anyone, then I feel getting nervous. And that time, if I watch any kinds of videos and like some vocab, then that time I remember. But while they speaking, I forget. So how can remember that words and like situation and any kinds of because my memory power is weak. So I assume that then my memory power is weak. So I am confused always. Then every time I thinking in Hindi, but I want to translate into English, but I am unable that time.
Hello, sir, I'm audible. Actually, I not get your question because of my poor connection. Sheetal ma'am, please repeat your question.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. No,
Hello.
actually, sir.
Yeah, please.
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, my problem is while doing speaking in
Mhm.
front of everyone, then my mind is totally blank. And
Okay.
whenever I watch video and I focus that video, then I'm not concentrate than our videos. And while they
Okay.
speaking, I forget everything. And always, so I realize that my mind is my memory power is a weak. But don't know. Then if I talk with anyone, my friend, that time I'm comfortable. But in front of everyone, then I am getting nervous.
Yes, yes, yes. Right. Actually, madam, this problem also is a common problem when we try to speak in front of camera or in front of mirror. Okay, that time we only focus about our content. We don't. We all the forget about no one is in the front of us. That's why we only focus our content. Okay, but when we try to say something in front of our seniors or those people who are already fluent, okay, and when we try to give us some information in front of them, we never try to focus our content. We every time focus two of the essential. One is our content and second one is if I made mistakes, so how they people will think about my English. Okay, so these two type of the thinking every day we think when we talk with the seniors. So it's happened, it is natural. Okay, but don't hesitate. Anyhow you get your confidence, and don't worry about if someone is give some reply with a negative. Don't try to speak again to front of this type of people. Only whenever if you find us give some information to public, okay, only focus your content only. Try it. After one day, second way, if you practice it, your confidence level become increase. Maximum if you focus your content on or your related subject knowledge, you will get your confidence. Otherwise, if you try to force your mind to someone will find my mistake, and if I will making mistakes, so how he or she will think about me, that time automatically we become hesitate and we never give appropriate knowledge which we gathered, which we gain from some books or any other sources. Okay, so maximum focus on your content or subject knowledge, so you will get your confidence.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, Ravindra sir. So here, anyone, any question, please note my mobile number, and whenever you get time, please for practice purpose talk with me. I will get time. I will definitely give my time to all of you, because I also practice every day. I also consistent with my habits, reading, writing, talking to someone. Okay, because I am also learner. I will say I'm also beginner person. So I also similar person like you. So don't think that I have some different type of knowledge. We all people are similar. Whenever you get time, please practice with me. I also want get some new knowledge from you brilliant people. Okay, thank you very much, sir. Ravindra sir.
Definitely, I will share
Uh,
your number. Okay, sir. Anybody they want to your number and the person I will give. Okay, sir. And but now Mehmood.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Mehmood, unmute yourself. Mehmood, can you hear me? Mitali, ma'am. Mitali.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mitali, ma'am. You have any questions? So please you can ask.
No, sir, I don't have.
Okay, good. And Hansraj.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Hansraj, you have any questions? So please you can ask.
Good evening, sir. And sir,
Hello.
Good evening.
I want to some questions, sir. Sir,
Yes, please, please.
what or grammar topic is more important for speaking English, sir?
Yes, I think grammar is not important for speaking. If you want to crack your IELTS exam, you want to go abroad, or you want to give some competition exam, that time grammar is a very crucial part for subject purpose only. Okay, but for speaking purpose, I will say if you practice every day to talk with someone, so automatically after some times you will grab grammar also, not only your your speaking, but you also grab your grammar also. Okay, so don't think about grammar every day, only try to speak someone every day, read something, because our mind is work like computer. Some garbage in and garbage out, this is the principle of computer. So if you want to speak much more, first you have to uh, try to input in your mind something, because once you input something, then you can output something. Okay, so reading and listening, this is the two skill which is, we can say it is an input skill. First you try this both skill, automatically you will give good output also. So when you talk to someone, you automatically give your proper language, you automatically talk with a proper language, because you have already consistent with your input device, which is reading habits and listening habits. Okay, so grammar is not important, but you have to consistent with your habits. It is important, automatically it will convert in your grammar part also. Okay, sir.
Okay, now Ishniya, unmute yourself. Ishniya.
Okay, sir. Hello, good evening,
Yes.
sir.
Any questions? So please you can ask.
Yes,
Good
hello.
evening, very good evening.
Hello, sir.
Mehmood,
Good evening,
wait.
sir.
After Ishniya, you can ask. Okay. Yeah, Ishniya, continue.
Yes.
Sir, I want to ask how can I improve my pronunciation? because my pronunciation is
Yes.
not good.
Okay. So for pronunciation, madam, we have a lot of software. We have to practice every day with this software, and we try to some difficult word, because if our trunk will everyday practice for some words, because you can try from Google. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
you write, if you listen some word and you cannot pronounce it, you write in Google and try to listen it every day. Okay. And 2 or 3 times you speak, automatically it will convert your good pronunciation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So only practice it's required for pronunciation.
Okay, now
Okay, sir.
Mehmood.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Mehmood.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can ask.
Sir, I have 2 questions. First,
Yeah, please go
sir.
ahead.
First, sir, I preparation for IT sector. So I have completed English. But sir, when I start
Okay.
speaking English, so I have lots of confidence.
Okay.
Because sir, when I can't.
Okay. So say you're IT person, and
जी
but I think those people who are in IT, maximum they utilize their knowledge in a for some programming only, right? Because conversation is required for those people who are in cell. Okay. So for IT people, maximum they have to they have to use their conversation in front of their client only.
जी
So first, if we talk to some client, they have that time we have to use a maximum respect type of language. Okay. So please learn this type of language from various sources like internet, and then many IT related conversation courses are available in YouTube. Okay. You everyday listen this type of conversation, and this is my experience about that. If you write something, then you talk something, and then this apply for your in your daily conversation, it will work very good. So once you listen some video related your IT conversation from YouTube, please write it in your notebook and daily practice with them. So it will
yes
automatically it will automatically help you for your conversation. Okay. But you have to give lot of time for that. Okay. So practice every day. This is a long journey. This is not 1 day or 2 day journey. Okay. So calm, compose is requirement, and with that you have get your confidence.
yes sir. When I explain any topic, so I have a hesitation, like body is movement and head movement, all is body
Okay.
movement. So sir,
Okay.
how can I silent?
Yes, sir. Actually, this is because of our lack of confidence, right? Because if we have some subject knowledge, but we cannot apply it with confidence, that time automatically it's converted in our body.
Yes,
So first you try to speak in 2 people.
yes,
Try to speak with in front of 3 people, 4 people, 5 people. You have to increase day by day this type of conversation with people. Okay,
Yeah.
so you will get confidence.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Okay. Now Sanjeev
Okay,
sir,
sir.
Sanjeev sir, if you want to say something, so please you also share. And after that, I
Uh,
can,
uh,
yeah.
Good evening, Ravindra sir, and thank you so much, Shashil sir, for the wonderful session. I was just listening to the queries and the manner you resolved all the queries. It was very heartening to listen to how you responded to all types of query, whether it was regarding English about positive thinking. So it was resolved very patiently and very in a very cool and composed manner. So thank you so much for the session. I don't have anything from my side. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
Sanjeev
you very
sir.
much, sir.
Thank you, Sailesh sir. Sanjeev sir also working in BSF, as an officer. So and
Oh,
he, yeah,
good, sir.
and
Good.
he,
Wow.
yeah. Definitely, sir. All person have a different type place, and means all persons they belong to Assam, Delhi. Okay, this type place. But only,
Hmm.
sir, what I learned means in this way, sir. Or doesn't matter, sir. All persons they are working in different type fields and they have a lots of experience. And
Right, sir.
after that, sir, when I come here and all persons have a very same manner, like a calm, relax, and all like very politely. So definitely, sir, I am very
Right, sir.
happy because it's like my pleasure, sir. Each every day, I'm very happy, because when I conduct this class and after class and while class, I am thinking about it, how to manage, because I am also beginner, sir. You know very well. And here,
Right, sir.
lots of
Yes.
person means those are person who belong to different types place and they are working different types company and government sector. Definitely it's my pleasure really, sir. And means how to manage I don't have any idea, but sir, it's means all are
Right,
working
sir.
very well.
Actually,
Yeah. Yes, sir.
yes, sir. Actually, I will say something about you also, sir. You are a really very, what I will say about you, I have no words because you are in a police department. And I heard about that police department, those people who are working, they have to work at 24 hours.
Yeah.
Means there is no any duty time for you. If someone, your subordinate or your boss will call to you, you definitely anywhere and anyhow you have to join your duty, right, sir?
Yes.
But you consistent with your daily class, sir. Amazing. I can't believe it because my father-in-law, my brother-in-law, both are in a police department, and they never gave any time for their family.
Yeah.
Maximum they are
That's
in a police
true,
stations.
sir. Yeah.
But I can't believe how you manage this all this time and all this schedule for class for this. You all people are lucky. In those people who are in this group, I humbly say that you all people are lucky because you have a Ravindra sir, because they everyday consistent. Because nowadays maximum people, those who want to get a fluency, those who uh, want to speaking in English, they have to pay a lot of money because maximum paid class is available in Zoom meeting, because here you only